Welcome to Leave 2024. I'm Josephine from ShaikhTech and I'm here with Mr. Amir.
Hi Josephine, how are you?
Good, how are you?
All good, all good. It's be excited to be here.
Yes. Can you please introduce yourself and your company?
Yes, so we are Northtek. So we are primarily a system integrator. We provide IT infrastructure solutions. I'm heading the pre-sales division of Northtek. So not only IT infrastructure, we also have a complete set of new solution division, and we call it Northtek Innovation Division. So this is why we are here in the Leap to showcase our innovation, our innovative product portfolio to the Saudi market.
And how have your experience been so far here at Leave?
The experience is great. I have been seeing a lot of potential. The crowd is really great, and the area is really big. I think this time they have put a big focus on Leap compared to last year. So yeah, I think it's really great so far. We are seeing a lot of potential. Continue to do so on the fourth day as well.
Okay, and what do you expect in terms of business reviews and sales from Leave?
So as I mentioned previously, so we wanted to focus on our innovation division, our innovative product portfolio to the Saudi market. We are focusing, we want to align with Saudi Vision 2030, as well as the greener Saudi. So we have a complete set of portfolio for smart agriculture, smart irrigation, automated solutions, robotics, and AI applications. So this we are expecting to have a good interaction with Saudi government as well as customers who wants to align their vision with Saudi Vision 2030.
Okay, thank you so much for taking your time.
Thank you very much.